Hello guys, it's me, the True Monk VR here, and I'm gonna be trolling that I am saying that I'm done with this game and I'm putting my Oculus in a microwave, and telling people if I put my Oculus in a microwave, I get free shiny rocks, and when they say yes, I will. I'm not putting my Oculus in the microwave, so don't try that. I'm just using a soundboard. Okay.
No, that's it.
Oh, I hate this game. Okay, you know what? I'm done. I'm putting my Oculus in a microwave.
Rage quit. What? Dude, that's a bad idea. You know what? Everyone, I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose in the microwave. Hey guys, I'm stunned. Bro, I'm stunned lose. I'm stunned lose. Rufus! Hey Rufus! Hey Rufus! Bro, where's Rufus? Guys, where the hell is Rufus?
Oh my god. My headset's melting. My headset's melting. My headset's melting. Oh shoot, my headset's melting.
Wait,
Oh.
I'm YouTube. I'm watching YouTube. I'm more competitive to you today.
Okay. They didn't react really good, so I'll just try my best to make it more like funnier. So I'll try my best.
I'm at the kid.
Hey Red. Wait. Hey Red.
Yeah.
Is it true that if I put my Oculus in the microwave, I get free shiny rocks? Really? Infinite shiny rocks?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god, I need infinite shiny rocks. I'm putting my Oculus in the microwave.
Okay. Fuck! You're spinning. Look at him! Look, he actually put his Oculus in the microwave.
Oh, my headset's melting. What do I do? Smoke is coming out of my
I know you did not put
headset.
your headset in the Oculus. I'm not done. I know you didn't put it in.
Why do I still have 2,000 shiny rocks? It was fake. Now my headset's melting. Oh.
You actually did it?
Yes, I did.
Whoa!
It's smoking. My headset's smoking.
Why you
Okay, that was good. That was actually good. Okay, let's do it again.
me.
Oh man, I hate this game. I'm putting my Oculus in the microwave. I'm done. I'm putting my Oculus in the microwave.
Yeah. No.
Pochi lepsze, co nie? Bo to kosztuje 2000 minut.
Hola, dos amigos. Hallo. Oh, fuck, that's me.
Czy możesz tutaj headset na microwave? Wiesz, tam mam takie podejrzenia? No, I see someone spinning. It sounds like a microwave. You glitching horror.
Oh, my headset's melting. What do I do? My headset's melting.
It's gonna burn!
I'm gonna give you the mic
Oh.
special.
Alright, no. What?
Wanna have a racing only up?
Oh.
Okay, that wasn't as good as I planned, but it was still good. Okay, next lobby.
Bro, you're getting
putting smelly beer.
Oh, I'm done with this game. I hate this game. I'm putting my Oculus in the microwave. I'm done.
Wait, did he actually do it? Yo! Wait, did this guy did he put his Oculus in Did he actually put his Oculus in his microwave?
Wake up! Wake up!
Wait.
Wake up! Wake up!
Oh shoot, my headset's melting. It's smoking. My headset's smoking. What do I do?
Take
Did
it
you
off.
actually pay? Why you pay it then?
I don't know, but it's smoking. So let me Google what to do when my thing smokes. Wait, let me see.
You should probably like buy a new one or get
No, it says I should put it in the microwave again. Okay.
No.
But Google says it's whatever Google says I do.
You should not do what Google says. Oh. He actually puts his Oculus in the microwave. It's kind of like
This guy keeps putting in the microwave.
he's gonna get like burned.
He's going to die.
Yeah, if he put it on, then he's gonna die. Olive.
Look at me.
Huh? It's just smoking even more. Google lied.
You should,
Look at me.
you should, candy, boy.
What do I do now?
Yeah, just
Put it back in the
instead
microwave.
of putting it in the microwave,
Yeah, you put it back in the microwave.
Oh, I should do that. I should do that. Yeah.